We now go back and say joints are joints. We have seen from the video that whether we use as built joints or general joints, the only difference really lies in the additional information needed for the latter. The arrangement is still the same. The kinematical relationships are made, and the assembly looks like the final assembly we had in both cases. They are the same. What happens when you cannot find the joint origin or joint reference? Recall that in the last video, we had to move one joining component, the pin, to its destination. Not bad if you can calculate the distance to move correctly. Will it not be nicer if we could create the joint origins we need so that the joints, the material just go right to where they're supposed to go, instead of our now making adjustment at the end? That way, no need to make calculations, no fresh calculations of additional movement, greater accuracy and reduced errors. So in order to be able to do that, we need to have the proper joint origin. In the last example, it was our lack of the proper joint origin that made us to go and put the thing in the wrong origin and then move to the final location, calculating the distance to be moved or using our eyes to gauge it. So now we are going to look at those two examples, and we are going to create proper joint origins for them, and then specify the joint origin and see them move straight to where they're supposed to be without stopping midway to ask any questions. They just go straight to where their final destination should be, and they won't need any help to move them to that final destination. So we call this one new snaps. So we can create this video. I'm not happy with the quality of the last video, so I'm going to play the video not from YouTube now. You will play the one from YouTube, but me on my system, I will just play the video that I have on my computer here.